Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will tell you about the best haircut style for boys. This is all hairstyle trending which I am telling you. If you want a hairstyle according to short hairstyle, then you will get to see all the hairstyle in my video. If you are new to my channel and you like my channel, then subscribe my channel so that you can get notification when my new videos are uploaded. Keep watching, you will definitely like the haircut style. If you watch half the video, you will miss a lot of haircut style. This video is going to be important for all of you. All types of haircut style will be told to you according to everyone's choice. You can get many ideas from this video, so watch the video till the last. after watching my video about which hairstyle will look good on your children. If you want a hairstyle or long hair for your child, then you will see it further in this video. If you want a simple hairstyle, then you will see all types of hairstyle in my video and you will look very different. I have also told you model haircuts for kids which are very cool hairstyle. Share this video as much as possible so that everyone can vibe my video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like it. In future too, I will bring you many haircut styles which you will like very much. I hope you like this video. See you with new videos. Thanks for watching my video.